Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of a case made by ESR. This is a case with a sturdy, I think this has a sturdy kickstand. This cases is for iPhone 11 and Samsung Note 10 Plus. So I will just put in the description below the price of this too. And this is, got this through Amazon. And yeah, let's start by opening the box of this one first. This is for iPhone 11. So let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box is, yep, the case, and a small direction on how to use it, and another one. Oh yeah, this is a ESR prize draw, win a new iPhone. So I don't know how, it's in Chinese character. And there's a QR code here, and then we'll check that later. Okay, and of course the case. Da-da-da, the case. I think this is CPU rubber, and you can see the kickstand. Well, this is the main factor why I bought this. I bought a case for my phone before with a kickstand, and within 1 month of using it is already broken because it's made of plastic. This one is made of aluminum. Okay, let's put the cell phone on. So this one have a screen protector for the camera, and also a screen protector in the front. So I hope this fits. Yep, it works, it fits. See, even with the screen protector, it still fits. I don't know if you can see here. And also with the screen protector, just already installed, still fits, no problem. And with the stand, and let's unbox first the other one. This is for Samsung Note 10 Plus. Okay, same thing. This is also made by ESR. And I bought the transparent one because I like the aura glow color of this phone, so I chose the aura glow. I mean the transparent. So same, they are. It is made of TPU and with a kickstand. And okay, and yeah, so my phone have a screen protector, and let's try this on. Okay, yep, it fits. And you can see the aura glow color of this phone. That's why I bought this color. The main problem with this kind of case, it will turn to yellow someday. I mean yellowish color. This is what I bought this for, the kickstand. So during my break at work, I always put this on back of the lunchbox. Most of the time it falls down, so that's the reason I bought this for the kickstand. Okay, let's change the angle first of this camera. And I know you can see me. I will go down and check this out. This is the case, and the kickstand is like that one. Okay, so you can use it like this way. See, still works. And I remember the old one that I had before, you cannot use it this way. And also landscape mode, and since this is sturdy, you can choose your angle. And something like that, that's better. And then that way also. You can close it and press it a little bit hard to secure the clip, the kickstand. Okay, so you can see here the bump to accommodate the kickstand, but I don't mind that one as long as there's a durable kickstand. I think they are also selling just a kickstand that you can stick at the back of your phone or other case. And the edge is a bit higher. I think this is 0.98 millimeter. So if you will put it down at the table, you will not be scratching the screen. Though my phone have a screen protector, so that's fine. And yeah, let's see if we can take off the pen. Yep, it's good. And there's a hole at the bottom for your charging, for speaker, and also for the pen. And on the side for the volume. Responsive enough. This is good. Let's check again with the iPhone. Okay, sorry for my head. Okay, so if you can see, it will not be level flat if you put it down on a table or a surface. So yep, that's the only problem with this bump because of this kickstand. And with this one, same thing for the iPhone, different angle, so you can use it portrait mode, but be careful. I think, yeah, that's the, oops, that's sharp. This one can scratch your table. See, this is a bit pointy for your wood table, so just be careful to not to move it that much on top of your table or you will scratch it. And also this one, and yep, these are the two ESR case. This is made of TPU. And let's close it. Okay, you can hear the snap that it's closed. It will not be accidentally open when it's in your pocket, or maybe if you will put it in your pocket, if it's a little bit open, it will for sure hook to your pocket, and then it will go like that. And yep, button is good. and this is still accessible. Silent mode here, and this button is also responsive, and you have hole for charger and 2 speakers, and yeah, again let's make it like this and like this. So I can say that this is very much a recommendable product if you don't mind the hump or the bump at the back because of the kickstand. This is durable kickstand, so it's nice. And also any transparent case will turn yellow, so maybe some products don't turn yellow, but it says some of the comment at the Amazon their case turn yellow. And yeah, I stooped so low because of the angle of camera, just to show you how these 2 phones stand using the kickstand. Alright, so you can feel the texture of the usual case. It's like a matte black, and this one is a glossy TPU plastic transparent TPU made by ESR. Again, I will just include in the description below the price, or maybe include the link also, and I'll try to see what's in this code. It says here ESR price draw, so I think this is a raffle draw. When you maybe enter a review or something like email notification. And yeah, that's it for this case review. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.